So, it's summertime, you're thinking, I really want to have a salad, but the salads are a bit like boring, right? Or the consistency is bad, or you have to get all these ingredients that you just know you're not going to use. Now, how can we make the perfect salad? I've got this incredible salad and it's literally good for your skin and your body. It's called the Good Skin Salad. Let's make it together. Welcome everyone, it's Chef Nini's Kitchen, where I teach you how to make delicious foods from around the world with some nutrition and some smart food shopper tips along the way. Guys, this recipe I developed like 7 years ago, and I literally wanted to do it because I had really bad acne and like adult acne, and I wanted to just heal myself from the inside out. You know what I mean? Like when you want to get that nice, clear, glowing skin. And this one is it. Now, let me tell you something, guys. You might not know about me, but I don't actually use foundation. I only have like eye makeup and lipstick because I'm sweating under this heat. But also my skincare is too expensive for me to have crappy foundation. So I wanted to show you guys something. There we go. We got my tissue out. And I just wanted to show you. There's nothing there. My skin is that clear and I'm 40 years old. So if I can get good skin, you can get good skin by eating this salad. All right, so first we're gonna need is some salmon. So I actually washed off my salmon with some vinegar and water. You can use vinegar, water, lemon, lime, or water. Wash your salmon. Yes, I am Chef Nunu and I will tell you to always wash your stuff. So you wanna take your salmon and I'm gonna put some seasonings on there. So firstly, I'm gonna put some garlic powder. Lots of garlic, very good for you. And then we're also gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. I'm kind of keeping this bit a bit simple just because I'm gonna be adding more flavors as well. So we're gonna put too much, but just enough to kind of like coat. The first one we're gonna start off with is the salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3, and that's basically good for your brain function and your heart function. And as we all get older, especially if you're going through menopause or premenopause, perimenopause, or just in generally want to just look after your joints and your body, having like 2 portions of oily fish a week is going to be incredible. Incorporating salmon, doesn't matter which one. Wild salmon is great, but if it's too expensive, farm one or that one's organic, that's also fine as well. Next thing I want to do is add a little bit of ketchup, just because I want to just add a little bit of tomato flavor. And you know what I love about this salad? It's like everyday ingredients, right? Like ingredients that you already have at your home, so you can repurpose it and make it nice and so forth. So now all we want to do, we don't need to add any salt to it because it's got salt in the seasoning. We want to rub it in. I'm going to put it into the air fryer. It's going to cook for about, I'll say 20 minutes, okay? And it's going to just be like 20 minutes at like gas mark 200 degrees. So that, and then literally, this is going to be delicious. So you want to always cook it skin side up. So that way you get all the flavors. And I swear to you guys, yes, I'm a chef, and yes, we normally do it in a frying pan, but guess what? I find the air fryer cooks it perfectly every single time. So I would definitely say to you guys, if you have an air fryer, use it. If you have an oven, also use it too. But seriously, the air fryer is key. And especially when you want to go those lazy days, we're not going to be cooking in the kitchen. You just make this. It's simple. All right, so this is going straight into the air fryer. We've got a little greaseproof paper here. Just going to lay it down flat like that. And just get all your nice little marinade. And you can get the all-purpose seasoning from anywhere, in any supermarket. You will have it. And if you can't have that brand, don't worry. They still have different all-purpose seasonings, okay? All right, so this is going to go in the air fryer right now at 200 degrees for like 20 minutes, I would say. You want to turn it over. If you feel like it's really pink inside, then add another 5 to 7 minutes and it'll be fully cooked, okay? All right, cool. So this is nice. Let me bring this. We're going to start making the salad and dressing. Okay, so I have this incredible white sauce, but I wanted to try and challenge myself and make a delicious green sauce, right? So I thought, what would go nice in a green sauce? So I thought, okay, let's put some coriander, some fresh coriander in there. It's already been washed, so that's fine. Just fling them all in there. And then I thought to myself, like, green, right? So avocado, yeah? So To tell if your avocado is ripe, you want to take this top little bit off here, and if it's like that kind of greeny kind of brown color, then it's actually ripe. Okay, so I'm going to put that there, and literally let's chop it. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Ooh, nice avocados. See, told you guys I give you lots of tips, so this way you save yourself money and you're not going to be wasting any food. Now, I actually wouldn't mind saving some of the other avocado, but I don't necessarily need. If you want to add half of the avocado into your salad, you know, be my guest. That would be nice. So I'm going to put this in there. So avocado is literally high in omega-3 as well. So this is one of your good skin ingredients, yeah? Very, very good for you. And, you know, you want to really have this. It's going to be helpful for your heart health, as well as your gut health, as well as your brain health as well, your brain function. Another thing I also say to you guys as well, like you should really try to incorporate avocado oil as well, because that's also like a really good frying oil. It has like no taste to it, so you can use for like Caribbean cooking or Asian. You can mix it up, okay? So I'm going to make a little bit of this because I want to have this salad for tomorrow. So I'm going to just pour this one in as well. And then I'm going to just put this in it. Okay, cool. Don't worry, trust the process. It looks like a lot, but it's not going to be. Okay, so now I'm going to mash it up a little bit. And we're going to add some cottage cheese to get some protein. You can use yogurt, but I'm just using cottage cheese for today, so I can get that extra creaminess as well. And it's got like a sour note to it as well. And it's got like, I think, well, this is probably going to have like maybe 1 or 2 grams of protein. Not as much, but it's still something, you know? Okay. And now I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic. Cannot go without garlic. And now you just need a little bit of salt, not too much. And some pepper. And you need a little bit of lemon. Don't have all of it, just use a little bit. Oh, one trick here that I found out from this amazing TV chef that was a part of the Eden Project recently. She uses lemons, so she takes the lemons to use to clean the chopping board. So you can literally, when you finish the lemon, just use it to actually clean the chopping board. It's actually a really cool, sustainable tip. So I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice. Lemon or lime, either way, they're both fine, okay? All right, put that there. And then you want to blitz it. So that one, so it's open, it's closed. And if you feel that it needs a bit of water, I've got some water here just in case it needs to be thinned up, okay? So I'm going to put it inside here. I'm going to turn it on. So I'm going to add a little bit of water just to kind of thin it out a little bit, okay? If you haven't got any cottage cheese, use yogurt, okay? It's just that I literally left my yogurt out yesterday, so it kind of went off. Mistakes happen. Okay, cool. That's a little bit messy, but it's fine. All right, cool. Okay. Look at that. That is lush. Okay. Ooh, this is actually really nice. Okay, let me taste it. Okay. Ooh, that's really nice. Okay, let me just add a little bit more of garlic, a little bit more salt, a little bit more black pepper. Oh, squeeze. Oh, going everywhere. There. Okay. Okay, and then just kind of mix it. This dressing is perfect. You could make this with like dip. You know, like you dip with the tortillas. I just thought of it right now. This dip will go well with everything. Oh, I love an all-purpose dip. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like, not just simple ingredients, good to go. I'm gonna clean off this, put it aside. We're gonna get the salmon out, and then we're gonna make the salad, and then we're done. Guys, if you are over the age of 25, you need to make this salad. If you are over 35, you need to make this salad. If you even hit 40, you need this salad, because honestly, it's going to help with your hormones, your lovely endocrinian system, okay? Your hormones, right? So the salmon is cooked. We're going to take off the top bit. See how easy it comes off? And then we're just literally going to cut it into little pieces, into like little chunks. Okay, so that's done. That's the salmon, yeah? So now what we got is a couple more ingredients. So normally I have like mixed bit like seeds and stuff, but I ran out because I was making granola last week. So, you know, we've got some little furikake and we've got some black sesame seeds and some chia seeds, like a really small amount, okay? So I just kind of mixed that up to get kind of like a seed consistency. Then I've also got some tomatoes, any tomatoes you want, guys, cherry, plum, whatever you feel like, you make it, you do it. Got some blueberries as well, and I've also got some olives. Now I actually do put strawberries in this, so I feel like I'm going to let you put the blueberries, and then if you want to put the strawberries, you can put the strawberries. But I normally do both, but just to kind of, you know, wean you into having a bit of fruits in your salad, okay? So what we want to do now is we want to just kind of cut this in half so we can add it to our washed spinach. So you've got like the vitamin E for your skin, the vitamin C as well. They're working all together. Then you've got the omega-3s working together. And then you've also got zinc as well, because you've got that from the seeds. And you've got the calcium with the actual black sesame seeds. You ever wonder why a lot of Asians have that dark hair for a long time? Like I'm talking like East Asian and Southeast Asian as well. It's because they have like sesame seeds in their diet. And that's like known to help you keep your grey hairs at bay. Okay, so we're gonna do quickly the tomatoes. So just gonna chop them up a little bit. If you wanna keep a couple whole, you know, like I said, my recipes are very versatile. You can freestyle it, okay? Have it whole, have it chopped, whatever you feel like. Okay, and then just get a couple more because they'll just blow everything. All right, cool. Now, there we go. That's done. We've got our blueberries, those ones. Okay, so now we've got our lovely salad over here. So we've got my washed spinach. Spinach is high in potassium, magnesium, which is going to be helping you with not only your immune system, but also your muscles as well, your joints. This is really, really good for you. You really want to have this soluble fiber, okay? Okay, so this, you want to put your olives in there, put your tomatoes in there, put your blueberries in there. I'm going to add, actually no, fling it all in there, it's good for you, right? And then now we're going to add the furikake mix. Okay, put a bit more. Okay, ooh, going. Okay. And now we're going to add in our salmon pieces as well. So, you know, if you're making this for like 2 people, obviously add 2 salmon fillets, yeah? It's just because I'm doing that. I'm going to add a little bit of juice of the lemon, just to kind of give it a bit of freshness as well. And then I can mix in my lovely green dressing as well. So just get in there. And then just literally mix up your salad. So if you want, you can put a little bit of it in there. Just kind of mix it up. Don't be shy to get messy, guys. Okay, I think we're using this dressing for everything. Tortillas, you know, little sandwiches even. I feel like I definitely will be incorporating everything in this with that green dressing. Okay, and that's it. So now we want to do is plate it. So I'm going to put a nice little plate and put this in the middle, and literally lovely big portion in the center like your leaves. I'm going to just get more. So just put a little dressing. Okay. And that is my good skin salad. How does it taste? I was just thinking this would actually be really good if you got like type 2 diabetes or hypertension, high blood pressure, because It has all the like magnesium, potassium that you need. So I think it'll be really good for you. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Listen, who said that blueberries didn't go with salmon? They were wrong. Definitely make this. It's perfect. Oh my god, wow. So for more delicious foods from around the world, smart food shopper hacks and nutrition tips, you want to thumb this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my lovely playlist. I've got so many delicious things there. See you in the next video. Bye. The dressing's really nice. Good skin, sad people. Delicious.